huge mechanised armies poised on Ukraine's borders, and the UK has decided to send these anti-tank missiles, so-called N-Law is the type of missile. I think we've got some footage developed by the Swedes and then jointly produced with the UK. It's been in service with the British Army for some years. You're talking about a shoulder-fired weapon there you can see being used on the training range with a range of several hundred metres. So it's not going to absolutely tilt any military balance of power. We don't know the exact quantities that will be sent, but it wouldn't be in the thousands probably. So, but it is happening very quickly. RAF planes have been in the air tonight, we believe, taking missiles and training teams to Ukraine, and it's symbolically, I think, very important.
Is it symbolic, more substantive, more symbolic, would you say?
Well, of course, you can knock tanks out with them, but if you believe Russia, which says it's not about to invade, I think the importance is political, and I think the Ukrainians are very grateful to have it, because at this moment, interesting that you picked out that quote from the European diplomat in the intro there, there are big concerns, I think, in Ukraine about the EU's attitude to Russia, and is it wobbling? Those planes that flew the British teams to Ukraine this evening avoided German and Dutch airspace. A lot of speculation in Germany tonight that the German government wouldn't let the UK fly this help to the Ukrainians. Now that's pretty extraordinary, really, in a NATO context. And what we also know is that the Germans are sucking their teeth about the real big bazooka, taking Russia out of the SWIFT banking transfer system, which is the threat that the Americans gave to the Russians some weeks ago. If you invade Ukraine, we will use this mega banking sanction against you. Now, apparently, that's unravelling at the European level too. So it is the case that Ukraine is very grateful for this gesture of support by the UK. In a military sense, it's not going to be hugely significant, but I think the politics of this are becoming fascinating.
Well, big diplomacy. Thanks very much, Mark.